my name is Tatiana. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Ethereal Entertainer. Today we're going to be watching ChainsawMan Season 1, Episode 2. So if you watched the first episode with me, it was a very gut-wrenching, tear-jerking, I am rooting for the underdog type of show, and it's got me hooked. So I'm so excited to watch this next episode. I hope that you are too. This is featured on Crunchyroll, so if you have Crunchyroll, you can watch it. But yeah, let's get into this episode. Love that for him. Oh, she's got him wrapped around her little finger. Woo. Oh! Why? Oh! Oh! Yo! Oh! Oh my God! Whoa! That turned up. He's so disruptive. Oh, he's so cute with his hair down. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Be for real. I want to see what she can do. Ew. Oh my gosh! That's effective. That was entertaining. Hey folks! Welcome to the couch. We are here to talk about Season 1, Episode 2 of ChainsawMan. So this episode definitely made me giggle. It was really funny. That was the main takeaway for me for this episode, was how funny it was. So I really liked that he stood up for himself in this episode, because he came from a system like where he was indebted to these people from debt that rolled over from his dad, that he really didn't know what was going on, because when his dad passed away he was a child, and now he's not indebted anymore. You know, he's started life anew, but he's also contracted still, but he has more freedom and more ability to be himself than he did with the previous people he was working for as a devil hunter. So I also love that he stood up for himself in this episode, because there's this guy that he was essentially shadowing to learn how to become a devil hunter, and he just tried to like bully him to get out of becoming a devil hunter and learning the ropes, and he stood up for himself. You have to see the episode to see how he stood up for himself, because, you know, it's a lot of things that are just not YouTube appropriate, but very entertaining. I will say that. But I absolutely got a good giggle out of this episode for sure. And also you can tell where he's at. He's such a teenager in the head, you know. He literally made his whole like mission to touch boobs. Like it's funny. It's hilarious. Of course, you know, we're hoping that he evolves and matures as things go along, but I think that him having this newfound freedom and ability to, you know, eat well and sleep well and have things, you know, he's kind of just going off of his baser instincts right now, which understandable. Totally get that. But yeah, this was a really entertaining episode. I highly recommend that you watch this one. It helps you establish a little bit more about the character himself and how he's adjusting to his new life. You know, this is him starting over, starting fresh from having such a horrible, you know, just tragedy-ridden life that he had no control over. And now he's a brand new person, and it's really cool. So I definitely enjoyed this. I can't wait to see the next episode. So come and enjoy the next episode with me, season 1, episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on those notifications so that we can do this all over again. And let's talk about the next episode, because I know it's gonna get even better. All right, thank you so much for watching and for listening, and I hope to see you back really soon. Bye.